Hello my dear friends, I want to tell you about the country I would like to visit. But most of all, I was attracted to the city of Venice. Venice, the most beautiful city in the world, is on the water. There is no bridges. Even the sidewalks are rare, on velvet vehicle, right at home splashing water. The inhabitants move to the gondolas and motorboats. The streets of Venice are 150 channels. Grand Channel divides the city in two parts, the historical center and industrial and commercial part. On either side of the Grand Canal towering magnificent places, the most important of which is the Doge's Palace, the creation of architects 9th-16th centuries. The magnificent monument overlooks the Piazza San Marco, the pearl of the city, which rises two columns. One of the columns crowned by a statue of the Lion of Saint Mark, the other Saint Theodore, one of the patrons of Venice. On the square is the famous Cathedral of San Marco. Magnificent basilica combines the church, where nearly 1,000 years, the remains of Saint Mark, the Doge of Venice chapel, and also became a spiritual center, the main symbol of power, integrity, the Venetian state. The Doge's Palace, one of the most famous landmarks of Venice. Place take its name for the residence of the Doge, the supreme head of the Venetian state. When creating a huge palace complex, Venice's idea was to hide the foreign ambassadors, instill involuntary awe. This explains the luxury interior, the work of the major artists of the time, Bellini, Titian, Veronese, Tintoretto. Do you know the history of Bridge of Sighs? In fact, this name is not the bridge was due to the nature of romantic breathing person. At one time this bridge connects the Doge Palace where the cure at the prison building. Prisons were in the basement, dumped the musty, few people out of there alive, let alone healthy. Passing over this bridge many convicts were last seen in the sunshine and sea, and most of sides this place was a farewell. And there is one history of a famous bridge. Straw Bridge bears its name for the fact that he once stayed near the exchange with both in a medieval prison store. It was erected in 1360 and is located to the left of the Doge Palace. The bridge overlooks the gloomy place Channel, the largest German church of the city and popular tourist cathedral in Venice, Santa Maria della Salute, building in Baroque style. This temple is dedicated to the Virgin, was built in 1631-1681 to commemorate the tribe pledge. The structure has an octahedral shape and two domes, large and small, as well as two shell bells. Around the basilica, along the gallery, there are 6 chapels. All 8 of the facades of the temple is richly decorated with pilasters and tumblers.